Eh, alam ninyo, I remember, sabi ko nga, ako na nagsabi kay, in the cabinet meeting, nandito man lahat, sabi ko kay, buy immediately, never mind about bidding. Sabi ko, I'm sure there's a law somewhere which would allow you to buy these things without bidding. I need to produce it. Sabi ko, kayo ang maggagawa niyan. The IATF, task force yan, and the NTF proposed that other agencies assist DOH in the procurement. Yun nga, OCD and DBM Procurement Service, PS. Bakit? Hindi nga nila kaya lahat. Hindi nila kaya magbili ng